So what's popping, guys? So recently we received a package from Amazon.in. It's quite a large package. Okay, so let's see what's inside this package. So before that, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that bell button below, and make sure to be tuned, guys. So all that being said, guys, let's unbox this big Amazon package. Okay guys, so I'm gonna card this package from right over here. So here we have our green screen. First of all, the quality of this green screen is quite well. It's quite thick green screen, and let's try to it's a large green screen. Okay, so I will set up this green screen and I will see you there only. Okay, so bye. It's not quite, it's too big. Okay, so this green screen can cover my entire room. Okay, so guys, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and if you want to see more unboxing videos, then make sure to share this video to all the being said, guys. I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.